Okay, so now I'm going to illustrate how to use K and N for prediction. So the first example that we saw was for classification. We're going to create a new data source, and that would be our Boston housing data, okay, and that has the median home value. Okay. That's what we're going to try to predict. Okay. So here category, okay, we're going to reject that. We don't want category because we are now going to illustrate how to use K and N for prediction. So we don't want that one. Now Chaz, I think is, let's explore and then see there are only two possible values there. So we're going to make that into binary. Okay. And the rest of it, med V will be our target. Right. Now, all right, so that's it. So the rest of them will leave them as interval. Bring that in, and once again we will do transformation. We'll transform the interval input into, okay, we'll standardize the interval inputs, and then we will run principal component. Okay, let's leave it at 99%, change that to covariance. Okay, run that. Okay, so I'm going to click OK. And then you do a data partition. Okay. And say we go 50-50. Okay, run the data partition. And then our MBR. Okay. Now we'll set that to scan and say 7. I'm going to try only one K. Okay, usually you will try several candidate Ks and compare. Okay, we'll do just one. And remember, in prediction, the K neighbors are selected, the K closest neighbors in terms of distance, and then for the purpose of prediction, then you take the value of the target variable of those neighbors and then find an average of those. Okay. And that's what you see here. And look at the prediction. So here is the mean square error for prediction, root mean square error, and so on. Okay. Now you can look at the prediction by looking at the export data, okay, and validation set. If you browse, then you will see at the end the principal components there. That is the, okay, so here is here it is, predicted median value, and then the residual median value.